Hey, hello everyone. I'm Ganesh, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering at Kekewang Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik. I'm presenting this capstone project for the submission of course on online teaching conducted by IUCEE. What are the objective of my this presentation? To explore the uses of the Google Classroom for my course, to introduce the LMS platform and activities conducted. What are the teaching modes I have used? I have used the online teaching mode, 4 lectures per week through the GoToWebinar platform, that is a synchronous. Offline mode, in this offline mode, I have prepared the YouTube videos, total 19 videos I have prepared using the platform of, using the APowerSoft. Resource, lecture material, resources are provided in terms of lecture material in form of PowerPoints. What are the assessment techniques I have used? I have used the different assessment techniques. Pre-assignment, okay, it is based on the prerequisite knowledge and external video. Tron Quiz, it is based on Google Form. Discussion forum. Post assignment, for each module one application based post assignment will be there. Open book test, mini project, gate quizzes and model question answer paper. At each module, so student has to design the paper and with the answers key, and one question should be on the application space. Okay, so let me introduce you my Google Classroom to all of you. So coming to the my Google Classroom, so this is my Google Classroom. So you can observe my name over here. So my account, okay, so you can see Ganesh N Zadav, which is the Srujan.elect account. So coming to the announcement section, you can see that various announcements are here. So you will observe there is welcome to the Google Classroom of the Analog Digital Electronics. You are requested to complete all activities, that is happy learning. This is the announcement which I have made. Coming to the classwork, if you visit to the classwork, you will observe that course introduction and syllabus, grading policy and go live timetable. So in the course introduction, so I have introduced the course. So what are the prerequisite of that course are, what is the course objective, course outcome, total syllabus is given, what are the reference books they have to use, and at the end COPO mapping is also given. Then in the grading policy, coming to the grading policy, I have posted the grading policy that discussion forum will be 5%, Tron quiz is 20%, Tron, their subject is electronics, so I am giving the name Tron. Pre-quiz, pre-post assignment 20%, mini project 20%, open book test 15%, model question answer paper design 10%, and gate quizzes are 10%. So this is my grading policy which I have introduced in this grading policy. Then go live timetable, here I am teaching to the division B. So this is my online timetable. So total one lecture is of 55 minutes. So I'm using the GoToWebinar platform for that. Okay, so this is timetable in the PDF format. So let me show you the unit. So in this unit you will observe that this is the introduction of the unit is given. After that introduction, I have posted the SOP, introduction to the SOP and POS in terms of YouTube video. This is, I have recorded the YouTube video. This is for SOP and POS using the APowerSoft software. So you can observe this is the sum of product video. Okay, sum of product video. So you have observed. So likewise various videos are introduced, and I have introduced also the notes. So notes are also provided into the students in form of PDF. So you can observe here. So this is the notes which I have provided. Each topic have learning outcomes, what they have to design. Again, these are the very interactive notes because many times I have used the animations there. So to introduce the students. So you can observe this. This is the total. Notes are provided based on that. So coming to the again classwork point. So let me introduce about the assessment techniques. So we have used the pre-post assignment. In the pre-assignment, so you will observe that in this pre-assignment, in the pre-assignments, you will observe that we have introduced one quiz over here. So we have introduced one quiz which is that match the pair question, and it is based on the first year knowledge through the basic electronics subjects. Okay, so this is for each unit I am introducing this pre-assignment what to test their prerequisite knowledge. So here you can observe the responses of the students, how many grades they have got. So what is this previous state of the students through the histogram I can observe that. So coming to the again classwork. So you can observe here the post assignment. For the post assignment, one number question is assigned to roll number 1, 13, 25, 37. Likewise, question 1 is assigned to these 6 people, question 2 is assigned to these 7 people, question 3 is assigned. So what is that assignment basically? So this is the application based question. So if I open this post assignment, so this post assignment, you can observe that this is the example of control place, this is the example of security door, this is the example of control engine. So likewise, I have prepared the total 12 questions, and for the 7 questions, the 7 students, 1 question is assigned, and they have to appear these questions and they have to post these answers. So for the assessment of this, so I have designed the rubrics. The rubrics is based on the timely completion, delay by 2 days, delay by 5 days, then content, best design, better design, good try, and not submitted. Okay, so I will show you the one of the example of the post assignment. So here you will observe that this student Prasad Rathod has submitted the post assignment. So this is the post assignment question which is assigned to him. So he has answered the total post exam question, and here you can observe that rubrics which I have prepared for his assessment, and accordingly I have responded to these rubrics. So you can observe these are the rubrics which I have responded. Okay, so through this I have assessed this. Likewise, for unit number 2, there is the pre-assignment 2 and post assignment 2. Coming to the next part, Tron quiz. This quiz is based on the unit number 1. This is somewhat higher level than the pre-assignment. So but this is based on the theoretical knowledge which they have gained from the that units. So in that Tron quiz, you will observe that I have posted the question. See, this is the Boolean algebra questions, K-map questions, so Karnaugh map questions, so SOP, POS form, different forms of questions are introduced. In the response, you can check how the students got the point out of 20, so that points are here. Okay, so coming to the next part, that is open book test. So yesterday only I have conducted the open book test. Let me show you the open book test paper. So in this open book test paper, the 5 MCQs were assigned, and one design level question is assigned based on the CO which we have formed for the subject. So question number 2 and question number 3 is based on the CO. Here you will observe that chemical plant design is given, and here street light design is given. They have to design the digital circuit for that. So this is the application based question for the open book test, which they will not get easily. They have to apply the knowledge based on the books, based on the theory given in the books. So likewise, I have conducted the 3 open book tests. This is the unique feature, that is the model question and answer paper. So let me show you the model question and answer paper over here. So you can observe this is the model question answer paper format which we have prepared for the students. So in this model question and paper format, they have 5 multiple choice question, 1 theory question related to rate unit, and 1 real time question they have to design. So I will show you the one of the example for this. I will show you the one of the example for this. Yeah. So let's see the example. So this is Krishna has submitted 5 multiple choice question. 1 question is based on the theory, and 1 question, see that it is street light questions. So that street light question which I have posted in the open book assignment, that is designed by this student. So this student has designed that. I have put it for the student, put it in the open book test for the all students. So this student has designed these questions. Okay, so you can observe, and he has prepared the answer sheet for that. Okay, so and I have assessed this based on these rubrics. So I can show you the rubrics. So depth and focus, content and application of the concept, and sentence structure. So this is the rubrics which I have designed for this particularly. Okay, then gate quizzes, I have assigned the gate quiz. So let me open the gate quiz. So in this gate quiz, you will observe that the gate 2007 question, this is the gate 2007 question. Again, you will observe this is the gate 2010 question. So gate questions are assigned here. Students have to appear this gate questions also. They will get the explore knowledge of this subject, how this is useful in the GATE examination, that will be also there. In the discussion forum, you will observe that I have posted the one I have posted the one question based on the practical application of this subject. So total 58 students are graded in this. So let me show you the 58 students which are graded here. So I will show you. They see that. So every student, Shivani Sauri has replied that clock is one of the example. Krishna Sawan, Darunte. Okay, so the what is the Rahul Domkawale, then Prachi. So I have assessed these all questions, and I have given the marks. So you can observe the grades over here. Okay, so this is about the discussion forum which I have introduced in my course. Okay, so this is about the assessment technique related to the virtual lab. So let me show you, I have designed the 3 virtual lab based on the simulations. So one of the virtual lab which I have designed, okay, so let me open the virtual lab here. Okay, so in this virtual lab, you will observe that this experiment is design of 3:8 decoder using the logic circuit. So learning outcome, aim, apparatus, everything is given, theory is given, truth table. This diagram, student have to complete this diagram, and based on this online software, Falstad, they have to design this, and I have indicated the 2:4 decoder, but student has to design the 3:8 decoder. So that will generate a link, and that generated link they will post in this Google form, and I will assess their circuit through this link, and I will assign the marks accordingly. So this is the online laboratory conduction of the students for my subjects. So coming to the feedback section, so let me show you the feedback section. So whatever the feedback I have received for my course, so this is the feedback form which I have designed: class name, instructor, level of effort you have put, okay, contribution to the learning, so how much you have contributed to the learning, then instructor, what is feedback about the instructor, skill and responsive of the instructor, course content, learning objective were cleared. So if you observe that students are happy with my course, even I have got the knowledge about the logic gates, various types, all learning process in this subject is continuous evaluation, assessment, test, assignments and different activities held in this course were useful. So likewise I got the suggestions also. So I think the professor are so hardworking and so that they pay attention to the students. According to me, studies are the excellent and understanding of the lessons are clear to the students. Okay, again they have given each teacher provide a YouTube video, or other teachers should be also provided with the YouTube video, and the rating of the online teaching and rating of the Google Classrooms they have submitted over here. So this is about the feedback. So let me show you what the grades. Here you can see the grade book of the students, so it will take a time to open. Meanwhile I will pause. So here you can observe the grade which I have assigned for each students, and here the overall grade, so it will take a time to appear. So these are the overall grade, and for the grade, so for the missing, automatically 0 marks will be assigned at the end of the course. Okay, so when I done with the all gradings. Okay, so this is about the feedback which I have received. Let's come to the what are the reflections on the learning. So my reflections on the learning, so I will introduce my reflections on the online teaching is that planning and preparation is very important. Micro planning and good resources collection resources, because we are the same teacher, but we have to use the different tool than the classroom teaching. So students role is engagement in the learning through the activities, because students is not in front of you. Teacher's role as a facilitator and instructor. Student expectation is a joyful and experiential learning. Teacher's expectation is a reflection of learning in the assessment. So flexibility of the learning, use of LMS, and learning resources is the high quality learning resources. So through this course I learned the various things related to this. And what is the good mantra? I am teaching, are they learning? Thank you.